Hello students, so today in this video I am going to share with you very important and helpful book for the teachers of English, for the educators of English, and for the aspirants of NET and SET, okay, in English subject. So here you can see I suggested this book in my earlier videos also. So Pedagogy of English, very important book for unit number 5 of the syllabus of UGC NET. So here the content, you can see English language, its basic aspects are given there. Then textbook is there, characteristics of textbooks, and creative activities, what creative activities we can conduct in the English classroom, it is mentioned here. Okay, so you can take the help of this book for conducting such activities in the classroom, as well as the role and place of English language in the curriculum of India. So in Indian curriculum, how it is placed, the English language, how it is taught, and how it was taught before some years, and what are the new trends for this language in the future. So it is well described here. Then communication is well described here. Then methods, approaches, and techniques for teaching of English, it is well described, explained here with the its principles, theories, as well as advantages, disadvantages and all. Then some resource material is shared here in this. First of all, there is one chapter, lesson planning. Lesson plan is all about the how to make a plan, how to create a plan, what activities we can include in a lesson plan, it is described there. Then resources, some resources are highlighted here, the tools and instructional materials, it is highlighted here by the author. Then important one is evaluation part. In evaluation you will be finding that the importance of evaluation, tools to be used for evaluation process and assessment. Okay, then how we can assess in the language classroom, it is well defined here by the author. And the whole book is very helpful because it is well explained in simple English. Okay, so that is important thing for us, that it is well explained by the author, and all the important aspects the authors have included here with its proper understanding, comprehension of all the topics. So you can have this book from Amazon. It is not that much costly, it is only around 125 rupees, and maybe the delivery charge uh, will be there around 50 or 60 rupees, but uh, within 200 rupees you will be able to buy this book. If you have this book in your library, you can borrow the book, but let me tell you, if you buy it, it will be very helpful for you for the whole of your life as a teacher, because it will improve your methodology of teaching English in your classroom. Okay, and not only for the teachers, it is also helpful for the students of English, for the students of B.Ed English, or the students who are having English subject in general B.Ed colleges. So this book is really helpful. I suggest this book, I strongly suggest this book to buy or to have it. So that's all for this, and more books are there in the description of this video. You can follow the links and you can buy the books. So thank you so much, friends.